show me a demo of the cat litter and how amazing it is. And I go, oh my God, that's perfect. That's exactly what I was looking for. Do you still need a sales funnel in 2024? I'm going to assume you know what a sales funnel is because you clicked on the video. If you don't, a sales funnel is simply a stripped down version, a step-by-step process of getting your potential client into your business to work with you. Do you still need one in 2024? Should we just all go back to websites? Should we give up completely? Do you need a sales funnel in 2024? Before I get to my answer, let's break down a little bit of my thought process here. When I started running a business, when I first got into business thinking and mindset, I was 16 years old. I built a website. It was called 1998 Dogs. It was about selling, drop shipping really, beds and collars and that types of things for dogs. I was interested in that niche. So I was like, oh, I can totally do this. I got this. So I built a website. I spent like a month and a half, 2 months, no coding knowledge, no prior, any technology knowledge. I was not the person. My brother was the one that would set up the Xbox. I didn't even know how to do that. So I was trying to jump into this, and I'm 16 years old. I'm trying to figure it out. I make this awesome website. I spent all this time on it, studying on YouTube, fiddling around with the software, and I sucked at it to the point where I gave up on that website. So that was the first website. I tried drop shipping. That didn't work. Second website, I tried to get a blog going. So I'm writing every day. I'm writing. Website gets a little bit of traction. No business out of it. Third website, I try to get people to join a membership course. That doesn't work. I just don't have the gusto of this website. It's not getting any traffic from Google, Yahoo, Bing, all the search engines. It's not working. So I scrapped that idea. Fourth website I build, I try to get people to apply to work with me. I'm like, hey, here's my face. I'm amazing. Come work with me. I'm a professional dog trainer. Come on. That doesn't work. Then I start learning about sales funnels. I get into this world of funnels and funnel hacking and figuring out how to make this perfect system and step-by-step process. And this was a couple of years ago where I learned this. So now, after doing it for so long and using funnels for so long, do you still need them in 2024? My answer is absolutely yes. 2024, for those who have never done business before, you're getting into business, or you're just starting your business, ditch your website completely. And I've said this before, completely ditch your website, but I really mean it in 2024. There's literally no point in having one. Why? When I'm interested in a product, when I'm looking for something, I might Google search it, right? So if I'm interested in cat litter, I might say, okay, best cat litter, and I might read a blog. Cool. Am I going to buy it through that blog? Hell no. I'm going to then go to Amazon, I'm going to check the reviews. Or then I'm just going to go to the store and I'm going to ask the guy at the store, and then I'm going to buy the cat litter. Right? I'm going to the person who knows what I need. So if you have a sales funnel, you become that person. That's why it's called a sales funnel. You're taking the sales process and making it digital, taking someone through the sales process through a digital format, right? You're showing them a demo, then you're answering all of their questions. Then you're saying, hey, do you want this? Yes or no, making the decision. Add some risk reversal, right? Like a guarantee or something like that. And then you just keep moving them along and say, hey, cool. Now you've done it. You've purchased it. Here's the delivery of the service or the product or the training or the coaching or the course or whatever it is, right? You're taking them through the journey that you would in person through the sales process. You're just doing it in an easier way. So if I find something on social media that I'm interested in, I'm not going to pop off social media, open up Google and search the thing. I'm going to click on whatever ad I'm seeing, or I'm going to click on their link in their bio. And where is it going to take me? Probably to an old, dingy old website that isn't going to do anything for me. Now I got to go search around for the thing that I was interested in the first place, probably get distracted by my 4-year-old asking me a question. And now I'm going to stop doing that. I'm going to go do something else. If the link takes me directly to a landing page and it says, hey, you clicked on this video, or you clicked on the ad, or you clicked on the link in my bio because you're interested in X, Y, and Z, this is what you're interested in, then absolutely I'm going to be so much more excited about what I was interested in, whatever it may be, cat litter. Right now I'm like, oh yeah, perfect. This is exactly what I was looking for, the cat litter. So now in that video on the sales page, they show me a demo of the cat litter and how amazing it is. And I go, oh my God, that's perfect. That's exactly what I was looking for. Then I go and buy the cat litter, right? So in my business in 2024, I don't plan on updating or making a website, period. And I'll tell you why. This is the secret. This is the key to it. The speed at which you can move in business, especially now when people have AI and they have massive teams and people are just throwing money at problems, right? Look at Kanye West, the Super Bowl commercial. The speed at which he made that commercial, That was not an accident. He didn't accidentally spend all of the money on paying for the Super Bowl ad. No, instead, what he did was say, I can make a really quick ad on my phone. It'll probably do better than spending all this money on making a professional ad. So that's what I'm going to do. He just made a very quick ad on his phone. It was speed, and it was authentic, and it was real. And he made millions of dollars off of that ad. It was a very, very short, simple, vertical format even, which is absolutely insane. So the speed at which you can make this happen, you can do it from a laptop, you can do it from your phone if you're really, in a pinch. You can make a funnel on your phone. So you whip this thing up. I made a funnel yesterday in 15 minutes because I had this concept, I had this idea, I wanted to bring it to the world. So I made a funnel in 15 minutes, slapped that together. Yeah, did it have maybe a spelling error or two? Sure. Was it functional? Did it work? Yes. I brought it out to my audience. I sent it out on social media. People start engaging with it. They go, hey, this is spelled wrong. Cool, thanks, I appreciate it. Quickly fix it, boom, move on, right? Like I don't have to hire an editor. They're gonna tell me it's wrong. And now I get engagement because of it, and I love that because the algorithm loves engagement. So I have no problem with people telling me that something's wrong because that means they commented on the video. Perfect. So now I get this speed going. I can move, not with certainty at first. That's what most people, and I do this all the time. I'm like, I gotta be sure of myself. I gotta be confident in what I'm doing. No, I'm an idiot. I don't know what I'm doing half the time. So I just throw stuff out there. People tell me if it's good or bad, and then I just do more of the good stuff, and I do less of the bad stuff. Right? If something didn't land, if I said, hey, I could do this for you, and people don't respond to it, then I'm not gonna continue offering it. I'm gonna change my verbiage. I'm gonna change what I'm talking about. And then I go all in on that corner. So I make this 15-minute funnel, I slap it up into the world, people are interested in it. Now I can go fix the funnel. I can adjust it, right? I can make it better. I can add better graphics. I can add animations, those types of things. So you can't do that with a website. The website is too slow. There's too much going on. It needs to be stripped down. And in 2024, if you can strip everything down, make it really easy for people to see, this is what you do. This is how they can work with you. This is how they can get your stuff. Right? They want to get back to what they were doing. They're on TikTok scrolling. They see your ad. They want to go, cool, buy it. Now I'm not thinking about the shipping, or I'm not worried about, my coaching session that's scheduled in a week. I'm going to go right back to TikTok. I don't want to have to search your website and find it, and then I got to read all it. No. I'm going to read one page, one simple page that has everything you have on your website anyway, just all in one spot, a little more organized. I'm going to quickly run through that summary, and then I'm going to move on with my life. People want speed and urgency. And that's why in 2024, I'm only focusing on